In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete admin user from Zoho Books. If you're managing access or offboarding someone, this walkthrough will show you exactly where to go and what to click, with a few tips to avoid common hiccups. First, open your web browser and head over to books.zoho.com. Sign in to the Zoho account that has access to the correct organization. You'll need sufficient permissions to remove an admin, so make sure you're signed in as an administrator for this organization. As a best practice, confirm there's at least one other active admin in place before you proceed, because many systems won't let you remove the only administrator. Once you're in Zoho Books, look toward the top right corner of the screen for the small gear icon. This is the settings icon. Click it to open the settings area. The settings menu is where you control your account level options, user access, and other preferences. So this is the right place to manage who can log in. Inside settings, locate and click users. This section lists every person who has access to your Zoho Books organization, along with their roles and statuses. Take a moment here to verify that you're working in the correct organization and scan the list to find the specific admin you want to remove. You should see their role marked as admin, which helps you double check that you're selecting the right user. Click on the admin user you want to delete to open their details. Review any visible information such as their role and status to ensure there's no confusion about which account you're modifying. Removing an admin will immediately revoke their access, but it won't erase your financial data. Historical activity tied to that user remains in your records. Next, look for the three dots icon, often labeled more or shown as a vertical ellipsis. Click those three dots to reveal additional actions for this user. This is where you'll find the option to remove them from your organization. Choose delete. When the confirmation prompt appears, read it carefully. Deleting an admin is a permanent access change, so only proceed if you're certain. Confirm the deletion to finalize it. If Zoho Books prevents the deletion, it usually means the user is the only admin or is tied to an ownership role. In that case, ensure another admin exists and ownership, if any, has been assigned elsewhere before trying again. And that's it. You've successfully navigated to Zoho Books, opened settings, accessed users, selected the admin, opened the More Actions menu, and confirmed delete. This simple cleanup step helps keep your financial data secure and your user list up to date.